Ain't gon' drip. Hey, Lime, what you got on you? I got that shit on me tonight. I ain't gon' cap you down. No, for real. I got it on me. How much you got on you? How much you got on you? Hey, how much you got on you? It's just a 10. Hey, how much you got on you? It's a little 20. How much you got on you? It's just a 30. How much you got on you? I blow the 40. How much you got on you? I made it 50. Hey, how much you got on you? It turned it to 60. How much you got on you? Then I spent it 70. Hey, how much you got on you? It came back with 80. Hey, how much you got on you? I came with a whole. Hey, how much you got on you? Bitch, I got a lot. Hey, how much you got on you? Bitch, I wanna fuck me. Hey, how much you got on you? She say I'm hot. Hey, how much you got on you? I got a lot. Hey, how much you got on you? Yeah, this a lot. I got a lot on me. I got a lot on me. But that ain't a lot of me. That ain't a lot to me. Talking about money, money, money.
Up everybody, welcome back to the channel. So as y'all seen, I got my girl Layla back home. So right now, I don't know if y'all can see. I can't see. Front end is off. So brand new radiator support over there. The old crusty one right there. It's all bent up, rusted down there. So trying to put that new pretty thing on. Just got to get some bushings and stuff later on, but it's time to put this thing on. Put the inner fenders on while it's out. Got a new grill and everything over there. So she all new parts. So 30-day period waiting to get the rest of her touches put on. I am pretty much putting her all back together. Right now we got the seats in. Got to send the door panels and everything off to get wrapped. So that's going on today. So pretty much doing everything that we can to get her show ready. Hopefully at the end of June. So I'm end up most likely ordering a brand new radiator that's all chrome. Go ahead and eliminate that thing right there. Cause can't have the rest of the car looking clean and we're here looking all, you know. So there it is. Part of the game when you got a low riding, you kind of got to take it step by step, piece by piece, and knock it all out, you know. So that being said, I'm gonna start putting the radiator support back in and let y'all see what it looks like. Actually, I gotta put the inner fender wells in first. Keep going ahead of myself. So inner fender well need to go on first because they're a pain to jack the car up and put it in from the bottom. Might as well put it in from the top. So I gotta put that in there. So longer than I thought it was gonna take. My first time doing inner fender wells. So.
Look, she bending over. Claude have mercy. What I want? Excuse me, brother. Miss Parker.
So, we got the inner fenders in. I felt like I was short a few bolts. I got more bolts from this side than I do this side. It's 14, so I know I got 2 up front there, 1 over here, so I gotta figure out some more bolts up in there. I didn't have enough tabs on this side, but I had enough on this side, so it's a lot of weird things going on here. Mighty suspicious.
Suspicious, eh? It's making me think a lot. Smart guy.
But it's all in. Things looking crispy up in that boy. So look at that. So the funny part is about this, all right? It took us a month and a half to be able to figure out what color. Cause I had the inner fenders powder coated first, thinking that it'd be easier for me to find that color. So we pretty much had to make the candy color that this is. So it's crazy because in certain lighting, they flip from each other. So right now this is violet. So I'm gonna flip the dark purple and then this would be violet. Vice versa, like. It's pretty dope though, how it's all coming out. But I'm gonna get this core support on. My phone's about to die, so I'm gonna try to hurry up. And damn! It's in. So it's all in. I just gotta adjust things and bolts it up. As you see, it's not over the hole that it needs to be over. I gotta order the bushings in. But yeah. Crazy how like them purple change colors. So the original, the old crusty dusty back here. So the part I'm talking about, they get powder coated. So I gotta pull this off. That's the bracket to hold the grill on. And I gotta pull that off. And then powder coat the little pieces. So that has to be done. Just like those have to be done. And probably that. But yeah. It's coming along though. It's coming along. It's definitely coming along.
That's all, folks.